Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have come onto this channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already subscribed and are already following me, thank you so much and welcome back. Now, I thought I'd shoot across this quick video in response to some of the questions that I was getting off the back of my last video. As you know, I am basically going through a challenge that I set myself, which is to basically generate 3K in just 31 days. And I've been exploring and researching various different methods of generating money online, and one of the methods that I spoke about was affiliate marketing. Now, I've had a lot of you out there asking me which businesses or companies offer an affiliate marketing program and which ones are the best to join. Now, there are loads out there, and one of the main affiliate programs that I spoke about in my last video was Amazon. And if you didn't check that out, make sure you do. I'll leave the link down in the description below. But there are other companies out there, and the ones that I'm using and I recommend would be another company called Clickbank, and another one known as Max Bounty. Again, I will leave those descriptions down in the descriptions below, so you can go check those out. Now, why is affiliate marketing so great? The reason why affiliate marketing is so good is that you don't need a business, and you don't need to even own stock or inventory, and you don't need to invest any money into getting this started. It is totally free, and all it requires is a little bit of work on your part. So that's one of the bonuses. The other bonus is that it's totally passive. It's a passive model, and what that means is that as soon as you've put in the work up front, you can then leave it alone, and it will just continue generating money when you're sleeping. And let's face it, I mean, that's how we want to earn our money, right? We just want to earn that money whilst we're sleeping, and affiliate marketing definitely has the potential to do that for you. The other thing about affiliate marketing is that we are all naturally affiliate marketers, even though you may not know it. And what I mean by that is that think about a situation where you bought something that you really liked, or you used a service that you thought was was great. How often has it happened where you've actually recommended that service to someone else, or you recommended a product that you were so happy about that you actually told someone about it, and off the back of that they bought that product? Well, this is a similar thing. This is exactly what you're doing. You're actually referring customers to a business, but getting paid for it. So affiliate marketing, the concept of it is brilliant, and like I said, once you get started and you put the work up front, the money just comes to you passively. This is the reason why I favor affiliate marketing. And for those of you that have followed me on my journey will know that I actually started off doing affiliate marketing. So I would definitely recommend it, and like I said, if you want to know more about it, then please do reach out to me. Email me, leave a comment down in the description below, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So that basically was all I wanted to talk about in this video. If you did like this video and you found it useful, please do hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to keep up to date with all of my videos that I put out there, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that notifications button, so that every time I put that video out, you will know first and foremost when that happens. So guys, listen, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you continue having a great day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, bless.